Do you know you can create content for free without paying a single penny? So what are you waiting for? Let's jump in. 1. Maker.com. You can upload any of your images and you can get the best quality of the images for your social media platforms.
Baby, 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 you mean so much to me.
Let's upload this photograph.
Baby, 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 you mean so much to me.
And see the magic. Any of these photos can be free downloaded and can be used on any social media platforms, LinkedIn, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, anywhere you can think of. 2. COVERR. This website can be used for any stock videos. Which can be used by anyone. You can use these videos for any of your YouTube projects or websites. The best part is it is free download without any watermarks.
Baby, baby,
3. PHOTOPEA.com. This is an online alternative of Adobe Photoshop.
baby, 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 you mean so much to me.
The best part is it is free to use. You can have all the functionalities of Adobe Photoshop. Do not forget to like and subscribe our channel for more videos.